Okay, so you got two problems on your note guide that I want you guys to try on your own. Okay, the first one here, we have negative 1/3 x less than 4/5. Try this problem on your own, answer the question, and whenever you're ready, hit continue and check your work and your answer. See what you did right, see what you did wrong, see what you need to fix. All right, so we should be thinking, got to solve for x, and I see I have negative 1/3 times x is less than 4/5. So we need to multiply both sides by -3/1. Whenever we go to cancel or divide by a fraction, we multiply by its reciprocal. So we multiply both sides by 3/1, -3/1. That cancels all this off. I get x. I multiplied by a negative number. So this inequality symbol must flip. And now we get 12/5. We just multiply straight across whenever we do multiplication of a fraction. So we wind up with -12/5. And now we got to think, does this simplify? And this one actually will. 5 goes into 12 twice. Still have the negative sign out there. And so that'd be 12 minus 5 times 2, or 10. So it'd be 12 minus 10 is 2/5. So this is going to wind up being -2 and 2/5. So x is greater than -2 and 2/5. All right, try the next one. The video will pause, answer the question, hit continue to check your work and your answer. Okay, so we're trying to solve for t, so we need to undo anything happening to it. I see we got plus 4/7, so I'm going to subtract 4/7 from both sides. Now notice I do not have a common denominator. So what's the least common multiple of 2 and 7? And it's going to be 14. So that means this 2, I need to multiply by 7. Whatever I do to the bottom of a fraction, I got to do to the top. The 7 needs to go to 14 as well. So we'll multiply that by 2. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. The left side comes t. Greater than is going to stay because I did not multiply by or divide by a negative number. So these fractions become 7/14 minus 12/14. We do not touch the bottoms. They have a common denominator. And we get 7 minus 12, which is -5. So this is a -5/14. -5/14. All right, that's going to wrap us up for today. Make sure you're getting some extra practice in on those fractions. If you need to, go back to the previous lessons. Go over what you need to do to add and subtract fractions together to get common denominators, least common multiples, that kind of stuff. If you need help, reach out to your teacher, and we'll see you tomorrow for the next lesson.